Fire. It is mesmerizing, dangerous, and essential to human history. We use it for warmth, for cooking, and for energy. But if I asked you what fire actually is, what would you say? Is it a solid? A gas? The truth is, fire isn't a form of matter at all. It is a violent, rapid, chemical event. To create this event, you need a very specific recipe, known as the fire triangle. You need three things present simultaneously. First, fuel something to burn, like this wood. Second, oxygen, usually from the air around us. And third, heat and initial energy source to kickstart the process. So, how do these three combine to create flames? Here is the secret. Solid wood does not actually burn. Step 1 is applying heat. The heat doesn't just make the wood hot, it begins to break it down chemically. This process is called pyrolysis. The intense heat causes the solid fuel to decompose and release flammable gases or vapors. Look closely at that white smoke rising from the char. That vapor is the real fuel. Now, for the magic moment, ignition. When those hot flammable gases mix with oxygen and reach the right temperature, snap, they react violently. Notice how the flame starts in the gas, slightly above the solid wood? That's the chemical reaction happening. This reaction releases massive amounts of energy as heat and light. That glowing, superheated gas is what you see as a flame. The blue base is where the combustion is cleanest and hottest. The yellow and orange parts are tiny particles of soot glowing like the filament in a light bulb. Once the reaction starts, it doesn't need the match anymore. The flame becomes its own heat source, preheating the wood next to it, creating a self-sustaining chain reaction that allows the fire to spread. So the next time you look into a fire, remember, you aren't looking at a thing. You are witnessing chemistry in high-speed action.